Hello and welcome to our home tech. In this video, we are looking at it when you buy a new computer or new PC or reinstall your operating system, how can you install all your necessary softwares at one go? That's a great website. Stay tuned. Welcome back. To install all the softwares immediately on your new PC, so that's a great website called kneenight.com, http www.kneenight.com. So go to the website where you can see there are tons of very necessary applications are available to download. So select the application which you wanted to download immediately in one go. So make sure there are quite a few selections. They have nicely categorized as well: web browsers, messengers, media, runtime utilities, imaging and document, and security, etc. So basically what you have to do is you have to go and choose whatever the application that you wanted. So these are the applications that which I am choosing will be, I think that is very important when you install a new PC, or maybe you reinstall your PC. You can live without this application. So this is a great source where you can go and choose whatever you want. Once you click choose a new application, then you have to click Get Your Kneenight. Once you click Get Your Kneenight, based on your browser, you can either run or save. So I always save it. Once you save it, you click on Run. So what this will do is this will automatically go and download all the applications that you have selected and install them for you without any prompt. So if you wanted to download and install each and every application manually, you need to go to their website and you can download it. But here you just choose all the applications that you wanted and click one-time download. It will download it for you. All the hard work is done for you. You just wait, make a cup of tea, just come back, relax, put your music on, and wait it to be seen. So you can see now Firefox is downloaded and is installed. You can see this is appearing down here. So all this application will be downloaded and installed. So basically this is a great way of installing. And also moreover, so once you're installing any other freewares application, there are many adwares or maybe other miscellaneous applications can be downloaded as well without knowing. But this program eliminates that risk and installs everything whatever you needed in one go. So basically this is a great program. So you can see Google Chrome is installed as well. So I'm gonna post this video and I'll see you soon. I'll be back once it's completed. So now you can see my final application paint.net is installing. Once it's installed, then I'll get a notification saying that it's completed successfully. Then you can see on my left all these windows, all these applications which I have selected are completed and downloaded. Now you can see this is completed and finished. You can see OK everywhere. All these applications are successfully installed. So you can check it if there's any problem or anything. You can go and view what happened. So hopefully this video is very helpful. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please do that thumbs up button, and also do your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. I'd like to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.